This morning we're heading over to the shop. We're going to check in with the guys. I think we got some new vehicles in the shop, some pretty bad cars. So stay with us. Let's go to the shop and see what's going on. What are you taping up the windows for?
So if we had to cut anything.
Those are in case of sparks.
I can't hear you.
Those are in case of, well, cut that thing off. In case of sparks.
Say what?
In case of sparks. Cutting, grinding on stuff.
Oh.
Try to protect the glass.
I got you. Carter, you want to be on camera today?
But yeah, we're
fitting in there pretty good.
Yeah. We're gonna paint it in here. We're gonna put on mittens. We're gonna dip them in the paint and just rub it on there.
Huh. Carter.
Yeah.
You fired.
Okay.
The only thing, the instructions did say to take the top off first, but we decided against that.
What y'all did? How'd y'all get it in there?
Piece by piece.
Piece by, yeah. We had to put it together in here.
I forgot you YouTube certified.
Yeah, because dang, I was supposed to wear my shirt today.
Dang.
It said to take the top off to put it together in here, but we figured the top would be on majority of the time, so it needs to look good with the top. It's symmetrical, and you can't measure it off the top if the top's not on it.
True.
So we voted to leave the top on, tack it all together, then we'll take the top off and take it out to finish welding it and paint it.
What's up, Kramer? Look at that hair. Woo. What is all this? Rusty, I told you to wire it up, not create spaghetti.
Well,
I mean,
it kind of happens when you got big jobs to do.
oh, big jobs.
Big jobs.
He's on big jobs.
Big jobs.
Huh. So how's the 36 Ford coming?
It's coming. It's coming. We're getting it wired up. We're getting it all plumbed up. I'm working on the steering shaft at the moment, trying to get it where we can steer it down the road.
Yeah.
Keep it going straight.
What do y'all think about that color of that motor with this green? Yeah, you got a lot of electronics in there, huh?
A lot of stuff in a little box.
Looks good. Y'all stay tuned. More to come.
Are those yours too?
No,
Okay. Just
as far as I know. Sweet. Oh wait.
that's not yours?
That's the 45. They're the wrong ones.
Okay.
So you got the new gas tank in?
Yes. Had to replace the fuel tank because it had a hole in it. That's no good, especially riding on the trails. You don't want to contaminate the area. It's leaking right in here. But the good thing about this new gas tank, it also came with 2 extra inlets. So I did not have to create any more holes inside there for the return line of the new throttle body.
So where you at in the whole scheme of things? Just waiting on some fittings and stuff, or?
Waiting on one fitting to finish the whole project, which is right here.
Yeah.
All I need is get a 45 to go inside here, and this is the return line which goes back. Other than that, the air cleaner's been modified to sit on top of here with these. This originally went to the old carburetor. Modified so it could.
Did you have to notch that out, or?
No, I got a piece of pipe, and I first welded up the hole, and then I got a piece of pipe and sort of flared it out to pretty much fill in the hole, but also give it a good transition inside there so it wouldn't be square.
I think these things are so cool with that toolbox in it.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Oh, it's got 2 toolboxes.
Is that all fuse? Is that a fuse box,
I'm not
or is that a
sure.
toolbox?
I haven't got curious to check it out.
Might be a fuse box. No,
Jumper cable box.
that's pretty cool.
Pretty clever.
Let's check on Jerry in this 67 Impala hood. Is that Impala hood giving you a hard time?
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit. Pinholes.
Pinholes?
Yep.
So have you primed it yet?
Nope. Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. I was just fixing to, and I blew it off and seen some pinholes and just wanted to tackle it. So that's what I'm doing now.
So you did the rough body work, and then once you get all the pinholes out and all that, then you'll prime it?
Yeah, we'll prime it. We'll high build it and let it sit for a couple days and then block it down. I'll do that. The tops of the fenders are ready, and then the cowl pin is ready too. So we'll high build those and get her done.
Get her done! Woohoo! Woohoo! Are you being meticulous?
Yep.
Are your fingers, have you sanded off your fingerprints yet?
I think they're getting close again. It just depends on the week. Sometimes I'll have no fingerprints, other times I'm not sanding as hard. Just depends.
So you're just doing the final touch-ups on this?
Yeah, so I'm doing it in 320 now. I'm gonna go back around and wet sand it, and it should be ready for color.
This is on the Defender.
Yeah,
front,
so we got
front bumper.
front bumper, rear bumper, and we got the running boards over there that are ready for wet sanding.
Ah.
Yep.
Cool. Let's go out and see what's going on. I believe Dylan's out here. I want to introduce you to him. Looks like he's doing some shorts out here. Dylan, come over.
Yes, sir.
Just want to introduce you to Dylan. You're gonna see him just as much as me probably. He's added to our marketing team here at Creative Rods. He's gonna be hosting some of our videos.
Yep.
And as me as well. So you're gonna start seeing more of him coming up. We got a new YouTube schedule coming out with more content coming to you. Tell them about it.
So we're gonna be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Sundays will be the shop walks that y'all are used to. Fridays will be the shop walks y'all are used to. And then Wednesdays and Sundays will be all new stuff. We're gonna be doing cars, planes, traveling, tracks, you name it. Fun times all the way around. Awesome content. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, share it with some friends. Y'all are gonna love it. We'll be seeing you soon.
All right, we're gonna bring you some more teasers today. This is videos from Wayne from Vision to Inspire, the awesome videos, me at Road Atlanta a month or so ago. So check out this video and we'll see you on the next shop walk.
Heck yeah.